Hi folks, it's Lumberman 2011. Here goes my Dafrogtoad vid for simple woodworking. There we go, got a mark. Take this. You can see that. Make a line. Next shot will be the saw. Here we go. Next step. I'm going to mark dead center here. And go the other way. And let's see here. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, the next step is to get dead center and that ought to be enough. And we'll go to the next step. One more step. That was almost a disaster. There we go. Little sandpaper, trim that off, and I'll be right back. Right back. Okay, folks, I can't seem to find my wood worker's glue, but little Elmo's will do the trick. I bet you weren't figuring this out already, what this will be. But get you in the tap it on home, and I will wipe this off and be back. Okay, Dafrogtoad, this is my little invention. Quickly made out of just a little bit of wood, basic woodworking skills, and voila, it's a paper towel holder. So there you go, Toad. I put it together. I did have a actual, kind of funny, but I got a bookcase project over here, which I have a bunch of seed plantings and stuff in that one, and trying to germinate. So anyway, I wanted to do a bookcase, which I had already dadoed out. You can see those dado marks right there. Right there. I have it all. That's all happened before I had my shoulder surgery. So, but anyway, folks, this is the my contribution to Dafrogtoad's what you can do with simple woodworking tools, and all it took was a 5/8 dowel and a paddle bit and a piece of wood. So thank you very much. Enjoy, YouTube. Take care, and good vid contest there, Dafrogtoad. Take care. Bye.